Hey friends, so have you been looking for a shower routine that doesn't cost you a whole bunch, specifically for my divas on a dime who want to glow without breaking the bank? Then this is going to be for you. Most of the products that I'm using here can be found at a grocery store or a drugstore, and if you just need a moment to feel luxurious for less, this is going to be great for you. It's going to make you feel super good, and I'm going to give you some tips to use along the way that you can use with whatever products you have in your shower. Starting with the importance of shampooing your hair first. When you shampoo and condition your hair first, look at my shoulders, okay? You see all of that product gets left behind on your skin. So if you do this step last, then you actually leave all of this product on your skin, which might cause dryness, irritation, and even body acne. So to avoid that, start with that so you can wash your body free of these products. And now I'm just using a conditioner to detangle my hair before I go in with my shampoo. If you're someone like myself who is experiencing extremely dry hair during this winter season, this is a really good tip for you. A lot of people call this pre-pooing, and I know when people pre-poo, they usually gravitate towards oil, but you can still use the same concept. So I've just wet my hair and put a very generous amount of conditioner all over because right now, this is what's needed in order to be able to get through and comb my hair out because it's just been super dry and super tangled. So now that I can rake my fingers through it without a comb, my hair feels like it's got some added moisture, and I've used the conditioner to kind of break down some of the product buildup from all of the gels. My hair is prepped for me to actually use a shampoo. So now I'm using this OGX Tea Tree and Mint shampoo, and while I don't use this every time I wash, I realize that my hair has been feeling this dry as a result of buildup, and a shampoo like this is so good for getting my scalp just super clean. I like the way it feels because anything with mint and tea tree leaves your scalp just feeling like cool and literally like minty fresh. Even though that sounds corny, my scalp feels minty fresh and I need that. So washing your ends is optional. I always suggest just do what works best for you, but personally, I don't need to do that at this moment. And I really just want to focus on my scalp. And this shampoo adds moisture and strength, and I need all of that. Plus, this huge bottle is only like $13 at Target, and it's been lasting me forever. But you can get the smaller one for less than $10. So I like to go back and split my hair down the middle and apply the shampoo directly to my scalp at the crown of my head because, y'all, that's the spot that be holding them odors. And I have such a sensitive nose. Like, if I can smell my hair or my scalp, cancel everything. Like, it's an immediate no for me. But you can see as I rinse the shampoo, it's sitting at the ends of my hair, so that's enough for me. And you just want to make sure that when you rinse really well so that all the debris and product is flowing out with the water. The only thing that you want left behind is just clean, shiny hair. That's it. Now I'm gonna deep condition. This says Shea Moisture Men was built to serve men of color. Well, you know what men of color and myself have in common? We got dry, curly hair. So yes, I'm gonna be using this men's deep conditioner. And don't think because a product says that it's specifically for men that you can't use it. It smells incredible. It has a nice amount of slip, and I love that it has a pump because pumps just scream salon, and salon just screams luxury, in my opinion. Plus, the huge bottle was only like $7.99 at Target, and if you buy natural hair products, then you already know how good of a deal that is because they be really taxing us for our products, and I don't like that. But it's made with avocado butter and manuka honey, and those are two products that I really love. So I'm just gonna work this in and comb it through my hair. And then while I finish showering, I'm gonna pull it up in a little bun and add some extra deep conditioner to my edges, which is where I put a lot of gel, so I don't want those getting dry and broken off. And then to my ends, and then we're gonna get into the fun part, which is the showering. Exfoliating your skin is going to be probably the best thing that you can do to elevate your shower routine if you don't already. I got this mitt for probably $1.25 at Walmart, and I'm using this raw sugar moisture loving body wash in the avocado and cactus pear scent. It smells so amazing, and I'm a big fan of the raw sugar body products. Very, very much something you should try. So if you, again, don't already exfoliate, this is what's gonna give you smooth, glowy, and that just healthy summer looking skin all season round. So you shouldn't just think because it's winter that you have to settle for dry skin. No, get in there with your glove or your cloth and scrub away all of the dry skin so that you can have that glow. I focus on all areas of my body. I'm gonna scrub under my arms, my elbows, my hands. There is not any area that does not go scrubbed, okay? And I really like how it makes all of my body washes kind of foam up and give me this nice foamy appearance to my soaps. So make sure you don't neglect the back, you guys. If you have trouble reaching your back, you can check out my other shower routine video where I use a Japanese exfoliating cloth. It makes it really easy to get to all areas of your body, but personally, no matter what, I just have to kind of move my arm around and try out different angles to cover everything. I don't know why the leg debate has been a thing, but you need to be cleaning your legs thoroughly. Every inch of your body should be cleaned thoroughly. And I really like to use the exfoliating cloth to get those areas that are just tend to be more dry, like your feet, your knees, and your elbows. Those areas need extra attention, and they're dry because you're not giving them that extra attention. So let this be your sign to get all of the little areas, okay? I feel like I get a lot of compliments on how glowy my skin looks and how smooth my skin looks, and this is all because of how much I exfoliate. So definitely give that a try and add that to your shower routine if you don't already. Like, look at how shiny my skin looks. Now I'm gonna go shave, and personally, I would prefer to do laser. I just have not made the time to get around to that recently, but if you are gonna shave, usually the more blades on your razor, the better. I'm gonna use this Olay body conditioner. This right here is another product that screams luxury to me. Anyone can add this to their shower routine, and this is great for those of us who get a little lazy, because as much as people don't want to admit it, I know for a fact that there are people who get out the shower and don't put lotion on. You put your clothes on and your skin is screaming underneath your clothes. So if you are that person, you're not alone, I'm sure, but putting a body conditioner on really does take away you don't have to put lotion on after, although I personally still would. But this time, you guys, I decided, like, why don't I just be super smart here and use my body conditioner to shave my legs with? And do y'all do this? Is it me? Like, am I late? Because this is my first time, and I feel like this was the ultimate game-changing experience for me. I feel like it makes me get the most out of my product, and it gave me such a smooth shave. I was actually just kind of like blown away by it. So you can see how hydrated my skin looks before I even get out of the shower. And when I get out, I am going to go ahead and jump right into my oral hygiene routine. Ladies, this is so important. If you are not spending enough time on your oral hygiene, I'm sure you know without me telling you, but I'm just going to share with you what I do. And it's the ultimate confidence boost to have super fresh breath. So take your time brushing your teeth. Make sure you get in there, get the back of your tongue. I'm following up with this Arc Whitening Booster. This really helps. I think if you drink teas or coffee or anything that's staining your teeth, you need to be doing something to kind of reverse the stains. And brushing your teeth is not always enough. So I'm gonna floss with some floss picks. You can get any floss picks. There are expensive ones and inexpensive ones. I think it doesn't really matter so long as you make sure you are, girl, get in there. Please get in there. Don't leave any tooth unflossed, because food is gonna get caught in there regardless, so you need to help it get out. And just in case there's anything left behind, I wanna go back in with my TheraBreath. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over TikTok. It's super popular for a reason. It doesn't burn, and it really does just leave you with super duper fresh breath, and I have really been enjoying that. Now, I did my stuff kind of out of order this time, but you also want to go in with a tongue scraper. It's so weird to film myself doing this, but use a tongue scraper because, again, you need extra help to remove the bacteria that gets built up there, and this is really going to be a game changer for super duper fresh breath. So if you aren't doing this already, add this to your routine, and I want to hear how much you like it. I am using my favorite Soap and Glory Vitamin C face wash, and a little tip that I learned through Instagram is to really work it into your hands first to make it foam up. This really gives you that spa feel at home, and I'm just going to clean my face like usual. Now, if you fall victim to this, just like I would all the time, make sure that you wash your face after you do your oral hygiene routine, because if you wash your face first and then you brush your teeth after, again, those products get left on your face and it can cause a lot of breakouts around your mouth, which I personally have figured out is the reason for a lot of the breakouts around my mouth. So try that out. I am following up with this Rose Hydrating Toner. This is the, in my opinion, best inexpensive toner that you can get. I have to search it on my Target app to find which locations have it because it can be kind of hard to find, but my skin is not the same without this. And so when I work it in, I'm just working in an upward motion because I want to kind of get rid of some of the inflammation that comes from when you first wake up. And this will kind of make your face look a little bit more chiseled and less swollen. I'm applying a hyaluronic acid serum onto wet skin. You need to apply it onto wet skin, and what it does is it acts as a humectant and it's going to draw moisture into your skin. But if you put it on dry skin, it's actually going to do the opposite. So be careful with that. And again, I'm working everything in and rubbing on my face, kind of massaging it in an upward motion to just get rid of that extra inflammation. And so now I'm using my CeraVe moisturizing cream. This has cermicides in it, so it's really good for sensitive skin as well to repair your barrier. And then last but not least, y'all, if you have watched my older videos, I've been talking about this Nivea lotion for a long time. Now, this is different than the one that's in the dark blue bottle because it's not super thick, which I don't actually love the super thick ones. This one, I don't know how to describe it other than to say it's like putting water on your skin. Like, it just quenches your skin, but it doesn't leave this sticky residue. You can't really tell that there's anything on your skin, but it feels silky, like game changer. And I have a lot of high-end, really expensive lotions. I buy this again and again and again. I've put all of my friends and family onto it, so definitely try it. And when you put your lotions on, this is a good time to rub on yourself, give yourself a little bit of a massage, work it into your feet, kind of help yourself to like relax and just decompress a little bit. And you can see like it leaves my skin with just like such a pretty glow, and I'm working it in everywhere. So sometimes it's easier for me to just sit down on the bed to really make sure that I'm not neglecting any parts of my body. So don't forget the elbows, don't forget the knees, don't forget the chest, the hands, and the feet, okay? I'm using my Degree deodorant, and this is an older oil that I have from Victoria's Secret. It's just a body oil, but you guys can use the Aveeno oil, or there's a lot of pretty decent drugstore oils that I would use and have used before. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Look at the gorgeous glow. I feel super luxurious now as a result of it. And my last final step that I love to do is follow up with a perfume, because that just seals it in and it makes me feel just like luxury. And that's how I want everyone to feel when they get out the shower, like you've really done something for yourself and your body. And it just is such a mood lifter to know you smell good, you feel good, and your skin is screaming, touch me. So you guys enjoy, and I will see you next time. And wash me over until my